Okay, this pattern is going to be a sweetheart to free spin. Sweetheart to free spin. Sounds nice and Valentine's, doesn't it? Okay, so this particular pattern is going to come from that patty cake ending position that you have here. Now remember, anytime you're in this position, you have a right to right. You can always go prep, prep, slow, slow, okay? So, as you can tell, she's got a left foot forward, my right foot is forward. We're going to go right into the pattern, sweetheart. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. See how that works? Okay? Let's do that again from this angle. And, ready, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Excellent. Now, we're going to come toward you, okay? You're the line of dance. And you notice that she's on the track, I'm on the inside rail. All right? Ready, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Excellent. Now, just to give you an idea, coming away from the camera, we're going to do it from there. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Now remember guys, whenever I'm going toward the lady, I don't want to actually pull her or try to force this. It naturally goes into a nice free spin for her, and I go right back into the track with her, okay? So, go practice this a little bit, have fun. Remember, the beginning of it is from the patty cake ending. Do 2 preps, you can go right into this, all right? Have fun, come on back for the next pattern.